Hello and welcome to Applecraft. Yeah, YC or Yogscast complete. I'm just gonna put that on. Okay. Yeah. So this is episode 8. I'm gonna sneeze. What is it about these videos of me sneezing? Like right at the end, just like last episode. Last episode I almost sneezed, and this episode I'm about to sneeze right now. Don't go, please don't go. There we go, it's out. Oh gosh. Yeah. You can probably tell I've just been recovering from a cold, so that's why I've not been really uploading that much. I did do What's So Good About a Random World video, series 2, so yeah, please check that out. My eyes are streaming. Whenever I sneeze, my eyes stream. That is weird. If you could see my face right now, it hurts very bad. Anyway, yeah, so this episode will be completing the mariculture crucible furnace quest in the quest book. So yeah. Oh, eye. Sorry guys. My eyes itching like mad. Well, not even itching, it's just like running really bad. Ah, there you go. Genuinely is. Whew. Anyway, yeah, so sorry about the chat. It's clogged up with rubbish. I've been kind of getting some information from it as well, so you know. Anyway, yeah, so this is going to be a 30-minute video, as you can probably see. I usually upload it in about 30 minutes now because it's just the easiest for me, and it takes away all like the annoyance of having to upload constantly. And I might be doing a What's So Good About a Random World after this video. I don't really know. I'm not really sticking to my schedule with that then. So yeah, I might do a crazy craft actually instead. Or maybe maybe another, no, not another Applecraft. I don't know, yeah. That's fine. Yeah, also I did do a Legend of Zelda adventure map if you want to check that out. It'll be on my channel. Sorry guys, I'm really sneezy right now. I'll probably be alright in a bit. Yeah, so it's a good job I can actually speed it up in my editing software, because otherwise you'd be seeing a ton of lag. Well, you probably are seeing a ton of lag, but it's just not as bad. Well, it doesn't look as bad. Anyway, crucible furnace again. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I don't know how to do the rest of the song. Oh yeah, and I will be doing some covers of songs. So yeah, look forward to that one. Well, those, because yeah, it's your fault. Polly Long, big shout out to you, and I think I actually did a shout out to you in a paper vlog, I think. Gosh, I've not uploaded paper vlogs in ages. I might do a paper vlog soon. It's just a real pain in the bum and a pain in the backside. Yeah, so so let's craft this thing, crucible furnace. Yeah, so the lag will go very soon. Like it it just straightens itself out. Well, it doesn't straighten itself out. I completely remove some mods, so things like I think the morph mod's in it. Yeah, I deleted that, and I also delete the carpenter's blocks mod. So no special buildings or no turning into bats. So I don't think it really matters, because you have to kill the wither anyway to be able to fly. So you know, by then I think I'd probably have got a jetpack. So you know. Or something along the lines of that. I've noticed the Yogscast are actually starting to stop that was weird. Yeah, they're stopping Yogscast complete quite a lot. I don't know why. It's kind of annoying really, because I really enjoy the whole Yogscast, doing the Yogscast complete. But yeah, I'm never done. Just recently I've been recording quite a lot of videos, so you can't expect a 3-episode series anymore, like the first ever videos that I sort of created. So these videos are going to be sort of 30 minutes long, and there's going to be like 100 videos of them. So you can expect a lot of watching if you are pretty active on this channel. Other than nothing's really changing. I might be doing a big storyline, but you know, we'll see. Yeah, so I've been recovering from cold. It's been a pretty bad one. I've been like just completely obliterated. It's like a flu. Yeah, and also Simon, I wish you good luck in the hospital for surgery and that. Because I know he's gone. And Markiplier. I can't believe like people are just going. There's all these YouTubers just becoming ill. I'm ill as well now, but obviously not as bad as those. But you know, gosh, it's really bad actually. Hopefully, I do not go into that illness there. I don't know what they're in for, but you know. Anyway, good luck both of you in getting better. Yeah. Sorry, I keep on stopping to like wipe my nose. You don't want to see that. And my voice keeps on going, oh easy. Stop it. I swear, when I say I've got a cold, it makes it worse. It's not even night, Jordan. Past Jordan. Seriously, shut up. Anyway, yeah, so I'm really enjoying the series so far. Especially after this. This is just like the Kickstarter. This is like trying to get the ball rolling, but failing. So I really do need a bigger house, which, by the way, I do get. So yeah, I might be doing another one of these videos. Oh, and sorry about the breathing thing. Just I've been really out of breath, so it's kind of just getting used to it. So yeah. Anyway, other than that, yeah, I hope you're enjoying these videos. Because I am, and if I am, you should be. Enjoy my videos. Anyway, yeah. If there's a weird vibration sound, ignore it. There's gonna be some weird vibration sounds. That sounded wrong. I didn't say that. Wait, what? So yeah, you'll see my house when it gets to it. It's pretty cool, and yeah, I've got to say, it's a lot better than this house. The house is just basically made to just die. And anyway, I might be starting a Resonant Rise series. I don't really know. I'll see how well it runs on my computer before I start anything. So expect fun from Resonant Rise. Yes, because I have sort of an empty slot on my schedule that I've just filled up with Applecraft, but I really think I should do Resonant Rise because I think what Yogscast did create that actually, but I played it a little bit, but it all depends on whether Camtasia works. At the moment, as you can see at the top, I'm using Bandicam because Bandicam was good. Now Camtasia is better, so I'll be using. Sorry about my weird monotone voice. It's not my fault. God, that looks so weird. I swear the whole thing's meant to come down when you do that. Oh well. Oh well. There you go. Yeah, sorry about my monotone voice. It is not my fault. Anyway, yeah, so I don't actually cheat at all in this series so far. And don't expect me to cheat. I really will not cheat at all. Even on the house, you know, the house that I've been making, I do not cheat on it. I make it all from scratch. I go out and mine for it off camera because I don't want to go and do things on camera. I think I actually did cheat, actually, thinking about it. I killed myself and then, because I travelled too far away and I couldn't remember where I came from. So I killed myself and then, yeah. That's the only parts that I cheat on, is killing myself. Because you have to kill yourself at some point. So yeah. Have you noticed, on the map, it looks like America. Yeah, I just realised that. So I reckon we're in America. It's a very small America, but America nonetheless. Anyway. Yeah, I reckon eventually you'll see how much fun we can have in this series. And hopefully you enjoy it too. I know I enjoy it, so, you know. Oh, actually I do cheat as well. I actually cheated to create a hole. But actually, technically that's not cheating, because I'd have all my equipment would be damaged, but I'd have all that dirt and rock. But I didn't give myself the dirt and rock. But yeah, maybe I shouldn't have done that. It doesn't really matter. So yeah, I'm getting quieter and quieter. It's because it's getting towards the end of the video, and I'm tired, so damn tired. Because it's really hard to get to sleep when you've got a cold like this, so it's kind of just like. Anyway, I'm just glad I've got a quest book to follow by. So yeah, I got the hiccups now. That's funny, that is. I'm just wondering when the next video with the housing would be. So it's those three, then it's those three. I don't really know. Oh, there we go. It's a few videos away, so maybe 4 videos away, I reckon, till I make my house. So yeah, just look forward to that. And yeah, that's all I can really say. I can't think of anything else to say. Yeah, bamboo. I have actually a nice Chinese around my corner that sell like bamboo shoots and water chestnuts. Actually, bamboo shoots and water chestnuts are my favourite, like sort of chow mein, sort of too much, like stir fry kind of thing. just because I think they've got lots of flavour. Like, you can have like pork with them and they're just like really nice. But yeah, this machine actually clinks up all my bars or ores and doubles them and creates them into dust, and then you can cook with the dust and blah blah. And the animation for it, whoa. It just went like super fast. I don't know whether you saw that then. Wow. It just went. And yeah, they used this in Sipsco. If you haven't seen Sipsco, go look at that. Yeah. Because, you know, I'm not actually advertising Yogscast right there. And I'm not trying to. I just am. Naturally comes to me. Because I love Yogscast. Like, Yogscast are amazing. But anyway. I watch a bit of Markiplier and stuff like that. I watch Jacksepticeye and a lot of other things. Anyway, where did we get from bamboo shoots and water chestnuts to? There you go, bamboo again. Yeah, so bamboo shoots are just like, I guess they're the shoots of the bamboo. Yeah. That was a bit of a silly question, really, wasn't it? And water chestnuts are chestnuts that grow in water. Apparently, I didn't know that. Did you know that? I didn't. I'm just gonna shut up. And yeah, so yeah, and yeah. So actually, I might just go get a load of ore and go AFK on its ores. Okay. Very okay. I don't actually know how to make a server for any of these mod packs, so I can't really do them with Fuzzy. Otherwise, we'd have a great old time, wouldn't we? Anyway, yeah, Fuzzy just like, he's helped me a lot, and I've helped him a lot with channels, and we've become like sort of like best friends, sort of thing. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. And yeah, so we shout out to each other quite a lot, and we've even made some Skyblock videos now as well. So yeah, go check those out and check his channel out as well. I'm not going to leave his channel link in the description. You can just type in Fuzzy Games with a 3 and a Z games, and it should come up. I don't know whether he's making a new channel actually, but you know, what can I say? He does a lot of like GFX, but he does a lot about Minecraft as well, so yeah, go check him out if you want to. You don't have to, you can stay on my channel. Yeah, Fuzzy. Subscriber stealer. You heard what I was saying. How many subscribers have you got? Home viewers? Huh? Anyway, yeah, as you saw, last video was like a video that we didn't actually need to do. Like, it really didn't matter. Like, you didn't have to watch it, basically. But this one's a little bit more important. Well, I say important, like, just a little bit better, I guess. Because, you know. Anyway, yeah, so... Oh, Fuzzy's actually uploaded episode 2. Also, he's uploaded, gosh, I'm gonna kill Fuzzy, because he's uploaded episode 2 already, about a week ago. Dun, He is done a escapist video. I'm just gonna, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I don't even know. I'm just gonna shush. I don't even know what to talk about. Tell me things to talk about. What do you like to hear? Because I don't know what you like to hear. I know some people like to hear something, and other people. Okay, I'm just gonna sing. Well, not really. I don't know what to. I can only sing when I'm in the mood. Yeah, okay, anyway, so that's a jolly version, isn't it? It's been 21 minutes. You stupid. Knowing that was 9 plus 10, 21. But what's 9 plus 10, 21? But what's 9 plus 10, 21? My voice just cracked. That often happens. Often, very often. I need the loo. That's bad. I still got 8 minutes left of this video. Dun 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 dun. Bum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum bum dum. Dicka dicka dum 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 dicka dicka dum 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 dicka dicka dum 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 dicka dicka dum dum dum. Bum ba bum bum bum. Dun 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 dun. By the way, your balance should be kicking in at whether I do this or I do this, and then I do this. Oh, there's that vibration sound that I told you about. Yeah, that's because my phone is actually dying. How irresponsible of me to leave it on. Hello, and we're back. We're in the force tree. May the force be with you. Shut up. May the force be with you. May the 4th of May. That's actually Star Wars Day, you know. 4th of May. May the 4th be with you. Oh, I can't wait to play Dungeons and Dragons tonight. I love Dungeons and Dragons. If you've not played Dungeons and Dragons, I should be making a series of it. Blah, 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 blah. Watch it. Please. Yeah, I really need the toilet now. So I got my Thor's hammer in my hand. Blah 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 blah. Opening the door. Now the sun's going up. Da 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 I'm gonna get copyrighted if I do that too much. I can do a really cool beat, yeah. Boom 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 boom. I got the thriller night. I got the thriller. I don't know the rest of the song. I get copyrighted because I'm that good at singing Michael Jackson, who sadly died at the age of 50. Sorry. That probably struck everyone's heart. Anyway, have you seen this Zayn leaving? This is the most stupid thing I've ever seen in my life. Like, I usually just wouldn't pay attention to anything that is just One Direction. But people have actually, like, killed their dogs themselves and slit their wrists. It's just like, seriously? Are you really that stupid? You would kill yourself, kill your dog, and slit your wrists for Zayn Malik leaving One Direction. Seriously? It's like that. It's just, what? Seriously? Like, weirdos. Just, people actually cut themselves for, like, actual reasons. And, you know, there's no reason to kill your dog over it. Especially because dogs are cute and I don't know what you do when you kill a dog. Like, seriously. Like, that dog has a life. He doesn't want to be killed because Zayn Malik left One Direction. It doesn't even know what Zayn Malik is. This is when it starts becoming really laggy. When I make this stuff, the carpenter's blocks, which is how I knew to delete that mod, because carpenter's blocks is so laggy. It's just like, seriously, sizzly. We've got 3 minutes left of this video. Anyway, off to pressing things. Yeah, we're going to be doing, hopefully, we'll be doing some D&D. I don't know whether we will. Depends if we go and buy some sets, because otherwise it'd be a bit pointless to play D&D without any sets. So yeah, I really need a wee. Need a bottle. Dun 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 dun. So yeah, 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes left. Home stretch. Yeah. Bum bum bum. The eye of the tiger. Final countdown. I'm actually running. Home stretch. Final. Boom ba-dum. Boom ba-dum. It's like I've run a marathon. It's the final countdown. Bye.